Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 7, chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. In this lecture, I am going to explain you application of Pythagoras theorem. So, Pythagoras theorem is very important. By means of Pythagoras theorem, you can find the relation between the side opposite to acute angle and remaining two sides in acute angle triangle. And also in obtuse angle triangle, relation between the side opposite to obtuse angle and remaining two side. Okay. Now suppose this is a triangle ABC, which is an acute angle triangle. So you know what is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means all angles of a triangle are less than 90. So in this triangle, angle B is acute, opposite side is AC. Angle C is acute angle, side opposite to C is AB. Okay, you can find the relation between this side and remaining these two sides. Okay, so the relation is this. In triangle ABC, AB square means this side square is equal to AC square remaining side BC square plus BC square minus this. Now this is a perpendicular drawn on BC, therefore BC is base, minus 2BC into DC. DC means this part. Now if AB is there, then you take this part, and AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC, and take this part. Okay, so that is what into BD. So this is the relation. Now you try to understand proof. I will explain you proof. Okay, proof. In triangle ADB means this triangle ADB, angle D means angle ADB is equal to 90 degree, and therefore AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Okay, BD square, Pythagoras theorem. Then in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, and therefore AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, Pythagoras theorem. Now in your proof, AD is not there, and therefore you find the value of AD, and therefore AD square is equal to, I transfer this DC on this side, so AC square minus DC square. This is what your statement number 2. This statement you substitute in equation number 1. So substituting in 1, AB square is equal to, for this AD square you write down this AC square minus DC square plus BD square, and then you simplify this. So therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus this DB you write down first, and then minus DC square. Now you know this is the what square of two terms, square, and what subtraction is there, and therefore you write down into bracket addition and subtraction. So AC square is equal AC square plus BD plus DC, and in second bracket BD minus DC, and therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus this BD plus DC is equal to BC, and for this bracket you replace this BD, so BD is equal to BC minus DC, so BC minus DC, and this DC minus DC. Then simplify this, AC square plus BC, and this you add 2DC minus 2DC, and hence AB square is equal to AC square plus this into this BC square, this into this minus 2BC into DC. So this is the relation. Okay, similarly we can prove AC square is equal to AC square, this square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. AC is there, take this part BD. Okay. So this property is very important, remember, because if you know this property you can overcome very difficult question in very short steps. Okay. Similarly, I explain you in obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, relation between the side opposite to obtuse angle and remaining two sides. Okay, so this is what triangle ABC, which is an obtuse angle triangle. Angle B is obtuse greater than 90. So remaining two angle A and C are what? Acute. Now you can find the relation between AC and remaining two sides. Okay. Now relation is this: AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now in this case, plus 2 base BC into, now AC is there, therefore you take this part BD. Okay. Now I explain you proof. Same way. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, and therefore AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Pythagoras theorem, statement number 1. Similarly, in triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree, and therefore AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Pythagoras theorem. Then find the value of AD. AD square is equal to AB square, this you transfer on this side, minus DB square. Statement number 2. This you substitute in equation number 1. Substituting in 1, AC square is equal to AB square minus DB square, means this AD you replace by what? This value, AB square minus DB square plus DC square, then is equal to AB square plus this you arrange DC minus DB square. AB square is equal to, again this is the subtraction of two squares, and therefore write down into bracket addition and subtraction, DC plus DB, and second bracket DC minus DB, and then simplify AB square plus DC plus DB. For DC is equal to this DC. For DC you write down DB plus BC, DB plus BC plus this DB, and DC minus DB, so DC, this is DC minus DB is equal to BC, and for this bracket you write down BC is equal to AB square plus this BC write down, and this bracket you simplify, these two you add, so BC plus 2DB, and then open this bracket. AC square is equal to AB square plus this into this BC square plus this into this 2BC into DB. Okay, so these are what relation. To try to understand this, because these properties are what very important. Okay, now today it is enough. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you. Take care.